What about earthquakes? Turkey is considered as one of the best countries who are precise in applying high standards of the earthquake's resistance via many seismic studies and a supervision of the municipalities on constructions through all stages. And all of that is done for many reasons, like earthquakes, irregularities, and other illegal things. A law was issued in 2007 stating that all construction in the countries must be under supervision of organizations related to the government, making sure that all the buildings are up to the standards. The real problem here is that the buildings before 2007 might not be identical to the standards. Due to that, you should check with municipality before you go ahead and purchase. As for buildings constructed after 2007, they are safe. For further information, kindly contact Imtilak Real Estate.